Hi everyone, this is Amy and I want to show you a great tool that you can use called Screencast-O-Matic. It's a great way to make screencast of your computer screen. And what's lovely about Screencast-O-Matic, besides the fact that it's free, is that it's very easy to use very quickly. So if you have a faculty member or you are a faculty member who wants to use Screencast-O-Matic and you want to do it very quickly without having to learn something maybe as difficult as Adobe Captivate, this is a great tool for you. So you can see here I'm on the main website for Screencast-O-Matic, and there's a button right here. The very first button says Start Recording for Free. So by simply clicking this option, you would basically install the free recorder and then you can get going. You can also watch their video here on the side if you want to get an idea of how it works. I want to show you a couple of things from their website, and first is what's called their plans. So I'm going to shrink this down a little bit so that you can see. And let's see, I'm going to move this a little bit so that you can see over here. And as you can see, it is free. The base is free, so I can record up to 15 minutes without charge. But if I wanted to use their video editor, or if I wanted to use some of their different tools, or if I wanted to use them for hosting so they could host my videos, I've got different options. And you can see these options are very affordable. So as an educator, if I wanted to have this option, I could pay $150 a month, or I can go for the Premiere for $4 a month. So if you're someone who records a lot of screencasts, this is a great option for you. So I want to scroll down, and the bottom of the page, it kind of shows the plans in more elaborate form. You can see what's always free. You can record your screen or your webcam. You can zoom in while recording. You can do some basic trimming. You can add captions. You can publish your desktop. Publish to Screencast-O-Matic via YouTube. This is what I do the most, since I have a YouTube channel for my videos for my students. So I record Screencast-O-Matic and then upload it to YouTube. I can also do a quick share to Facebook, Twitter, or the G Classroom or the Google Classroom. And then notice here that the maximum is 15 minutes. And I found that most of my videos tend to be less than that anyway. So that has not been a problem for me. But if you go the deluxe or the Premiere option, then you are allowed to go past 15 minutes. So that's kind of the basics of Screencast-O-Matic. What I found is pretty great about this tool is that there's lots of tutorials on their website to give you a fast way to learn different things. I'm going to go to their different features for you. So again, this is showing you what the screencast is looking like. So this is what the launch, when you launch the free recorder, what it looks like. So it lets you, again, it's very, very simple and intuitive. It defaults to the screen. You can also do webcam or both. Max time is 15. It defaults to the kind of the ideal size, ideal being that it's good for both a computer and a mobile device. The VU meter shows up right here in the screen. So once I launched the recorder, I plugged in my microphone, and then I used the arrow there on the side to make it go to that microphone, and I went right to it, and then I hit the red record button and I got started. So it was very, very simple. They also have an editor. I just want to show you a picture of that. It's a little bit more to it. You'll notice here on the side that it's got these different options, and with the arrow there, that means it goes to different options. It would take a little bit of playing around with to really understand the video editor. If someone just wants to record their screen and then maybe trim the end or the beginning, they really don't need the editor. And then they have different tools so that you can actually store. If you use the Premiere option, then you can actually store on their cloud hosting. So to me, this is a great option for educators who are trying to record a screencast very quickly. They also have a really nice blog up here in the upper left-hand corner, and again, a great tutorial. So I have found everything I needed in these tutorials. They actually use Screencast to create them, which is lovely, and you can see very quickly some of the options there. So Screencast-O-Matic, it's a great online tool for faculty to use to create a screencast.